Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G15 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the apps. So let's find them, and here we have to tap on see all 42 apps, of course 42 in my case, and then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset app preferences, and here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and battery usage settings. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any of data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.